So you never forget all about.
Look at her feet, they don't touch the bottom.
I know. You know, it goes both ways. Oh, really? Oh, it's... Oh, it's morning shoe. Oh, that's like Danielle went to the post office. Oh, really?
No, I'm not.
Costco.
Okay. No, it's cute. So cute.
You like pictures? Everyone stare. There's
No, I'll still email them to you, but those are most of them. Yeah, they were a lot. They're a lot of them are the same.
Where are you going? Oh, take a picture of Andre. Look at him.
And everyone signed it. I know, and it's all designed.